And in this video, we are assembling the frog, the Valentine frog slice card. So here are my pieces. This piece here with the legs, this is your back. Excuse me. So we're just going to glue this right into place. And that's the back. The back is finished. Then the center is just as simple. Okay, there's the center. Now let's bring in our frog face. Okay, you have 3 pieces that have slices in it, and you have 1 solid piece. We have our heart and our froggy. I'm trying to decide. Okay, so I'm going to build his face first, or her face, its face. And I just want to make sure that the centers of my eyes are going in the same direction. Okay. Okay, I'm going to use a little round pop dot for my bow. And I'm going to glue this down here on this front. I'm going to put my heart together, but I'm not going to glue it on yet because I want to pop it up with a pop dot. So I have to assemble the front of this card first before I can do that. But I am going to put it all together so that all I have to do is put it on. Put the little hands on. And then I can go ahead and put this piece on, but I cannot attach the heart yet. First we have to do the slices. So I'm going to just put this together, line this piece up. I'm going to do this with each one. I'm going to glue that little tab down. I feel like this really holds the card in place, helps keep it together. The only piece you have to worry about coming out with this method is the center. Okay. So I've got those glued into place. Now we're going to take the backing, which matches the front, and we're just going to glue this on. It's going to cover up those tabs we just glued down and clean everything up, and it gives you a nice big surface to write on. So you can use that for writing your message. It gets tight going over this piece that you add on, so you just want to just gently but with enough force. You want to get that all the way in there. Now we're going to put this front piece on. And I want to make sure it goes all the way on. Okay, now I'm going to close it and bend my tabs. Fold it back the other way, and I'm going to bend them the other way too. And now I'm going to glue these down. You just want to make sure that your piece stays slid in all the way. Excuse me. I'm gonna fold this back and forth just a little, put my cover piece on. And now I'm going to attach my heart. And that is the Frog Valentine slice card. Thank you for joining me.